question 5, I've been asked to solve this. What I notice is that I have these denominators with x's. I need to get rid of that. So I multiply the whole line by the denominators. I multiply the whole line by x and 2x. That's going to give me 3x, 2x, 3x, 2x is equal to 2 times x, 2x. And this is over 2x, and this is over x. Now in doing so, that cancels out with that, and that cancels out with that. I'm left with 3 times 2x plus 3 times x, and that's equal to 2 times x times 2x. I sort this out, so 2 times 3 is 6x plus 3x is equal to 2 times 2 is 4, and then x times x is x squared. I've got a quadratic, so I take everything to one side. I'm going to take everything there, so I subtract 6x, actually 6x plus 3x is 9x, and that's equal to 4x squared, and now I subtract 9x on both sides. So that gives me 0 is equal to 4x squared minus 9x, and now I factorize. And because I have a quadratic x squared, I'm going to have two values for x. So here 0 is equal to x into 4x minus 9. So x is either 0 or x is equal to 9 over 4. So that is 0 or this is 0. And if this bracket is 0, then x is 9 over 4. Now part B, after I've done all of that, part B, I've got the same question, but at the bottom, instead of x, I've got y minus 1 squared. And here I've got, instead of 2x, I've got 2 into y minus 1 squared. So I can say, let x equal y minus 1 squared. So that means if I follow the steps here, and I've got down to the answer x is equal to 0, and x is equal to 9 over 4, that means y minus 1 all squared is equal to 0, or y minus 1 all squared is equal to 9 over 4. And then I solve that by making y the subject. I square root both sides. So here y has to be 1, because 1 minus 1 will give me 0, so you don't have to really do that. Here I square root both sides. So y is equal to, y minus 1 is equal to plus or minus the square root of 9 over 4. So y minus 1 is equal to plus or minus 3 over 2, because that's the square root of 9 and 4. And then lastly, I take that 1 over, so y is equal to plus or minus 3 over 2 plus 1. And to make things look nice, 1 plus or minus 3 over 2.